Moderns believe they are experiencing nature when they visit a preserve or a park, just as they believe they are being culturally enriched when they visit a foreign land. And this is another modern myth. For in the latter case, what they are visiting are tourist destinations, specifically made for them to experience a semblance of the country, the culture they are visiting, and not the culture itself. Just as when, in the former case, when they visit a preserve, a habitat, a park, they are visiting a humanely preserved and maintained environment, which is not entirely natural.